Students may take any class in our Schoolcraft course catalog as long as they meet the prerequisites and/or age requirements for the class. Meet with your high school counselor or homeschool official to determine your eligibility for dual enrollment and obtain assistance with picking out classes. For suggested classes, go to our dual enrollment website, schoolcraft.edu/dual, and under Become a Dual Enrolled Student, expand the Decide What Classes Are Right for You tab. The Michigan Transfer Agreement, MTA list, are approved general education courses that are a good starting point. If you are interested in exploring occupational programs, check out our list of suggested courses by major. This is a great way to experience these high-demand careers. Dual-enrolled students are not required to meet with an academic advisor, but they may do so to discuss how their dual enrollment classes may meet their future program or college goals. You can contact Academic Advising to make an appointment once you're admitted. Call 734-462-4429 or visit schoolcraft.edu/advising.